What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be working on something a little different. Yeah, we're gonna try to put this plug on this truck, because this one has that simple 4-pin plug. This is a Ford Expedition 2012, mind you. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on that, and then that tip on the end here, because all we need are the basics: brakes, turn signals, and parking lights. That's it. Stick around.
Bitch, I did it, I made it, I'm loved and I'm hated. I started from the bottom.
Alright, so for the first order of the day, we are going to grind that riggy thingy there, which is the ground. And then this is from, I don't know, another ground. So we're gonna clean that up right quick. That's not gonna happen. Oh, nice. What is this? All right. We're gonna clean that up. Instructions. All right. This cable has white for ground, yellow for left turn signal, green for right, and the brown looking one is for the tail lights. So that's all we need, because our travel trailer doesn't have reverse lights. And that's how we're gonna plug it up on this one, in which I'm gonna show you how to do that. And then we'll plug like this. This is it right here. This is the plan. Something like that. Put black tape around it, and then the other tip on here like this. Call it a day. Call it a day. Cool. Does that work? And then that way I can still keep my OEM plug, this one, intact, because it's in good condition. That's the plan, guys. Yep. Man, I'm gonna have to put it here. Alright. So screw right in the middle. After these short messages. Oh man. Dollar General, because I'm poor. Forget Rust-Oleum, because I ain't got none. Alright, so the white is ground, which will go on this one. And then the yellow cable, which is left turn signal, will go on LT right here. And then green will go on the right turn signal, which is over here. And then the brown cable for the tail lights, and we're gonna look for TM here. TM right there, right up there. That's it. Absolutely no markings on this thing. None. Brownish tail lights. All right. All right, for the ultimate test. Let's see if this is a fail or a... So, and then that. Alright. So let's see if that works. I think that's a fail. You guys think? No lights whatsoever. So, it is not a fail. I just moved something and the lights work. So, did it work? Sure did. Sure did. Kind of curious of why it didn't work in the first try, but maybe it has to do with this dirty plug or something. But sure enough, you got lights. Alright. That's it for this project, guys. Latest.